video for chapter 2.1. The basic shape is this configuration. It's 6.5 across the top. So again, what you would do, make sure you're in the right, with the F5, make sure you're in the right plane. You would draw like a 6.5 line, hit enter, and just come down one, and then you can just copy this one over, or you can draw it either way. Sometimes it's easier to do it this way. Just continue down. The overall length is 4. So sometimes what you can do, you could just come back to this point, draw a straight line down 4, enter, and come over and box this in if you like to do that. The first point when you come down 4 is going to start at 1.75, so I can type in 1.75. Let me back that up just to make sure. I'm going to go back to line, choose this point, come over 1.75, enter. Okay, and that's where I'm going to hit escape, and I'm going to delete that line there. So I know that I can connect the line from here to there, and I can erase this line now, and I have my correct angle. And then just come over, draw another line from this point over 1 inch like that. Then you're going to go straight up, and that is going to be 2, enter there, and then come back this way, and that's going to be 1.25, enter, up. That thickness is going to be 1 inch, so type in 1, enter, and all the way across, that dimension is 3.5, enter. Back down 1 inch. Let me back that up because my mouse drifted. Didn't mean to do that. Let's delete that one line there. Line, straight down 1 inch, back over, and that is going to be 1.25, enter, straight down, and that's going to be 2, enter, like that. This line will be 1 inch, and then just connect. Okay, and you get this basic shape here. The thickness of this is 1/4 inch. So what you would do, you would come here, hit F5, draw 1/4 inch line here, go to copy, choose this line after you've drawn it, pick that point, come down here and just drop it in on all these points that you see here. Okay, I'm going to hit escape to get out of that, but you would have, and you would end up with this shape. Then all you have to do is either just copy these lines over or just draw until you have this shape completed here, and that's what you want to end up with. Then use your previous videos. Remember, it's D-I-M-E-D-I-T, dim edit, to place your, you're going to go, make sure you use aligned, place your dimensions on there, come back and use D-I-M-T edit to orientate your text to the correct position. This one, let me just check that one right quick. Okay, it won't move. Anyway, use just dim T edit and dim edit to place your dimensions, and you should end up with an isometric shape like this.